If you're running a print-on-demand shop or even thinking about starting one, this is something you probably want to see. Hey, this is Anthony from Rocket Prints. On this channel, I share walkthroughs around graphic design and heat press workflows. Today, I want to talk to you about a print-on-demand platform that I've been testing called PeaPrint. I want to walk you through how it fits into the POD workflow. So what is PeaPrint? PeaPrint is a print-on-demand platform that lets you upload designs and sell custom products like apparel, all over print, home goods, and accessories without holding inventory. You connect your store and list your products. When a customer places an order, PeaPrint handles the printing, packaging, and shipping, so you stay focused on designing and marketing. One of the biggest advantages is that there is no upfront cost. You don't need to buy products in advance. There's no inventory to store. There's no minimum order requirements. You only pay when an order is placed. That makes it easier to test design without locking money into stock. If something doesn't sell, you simply stop offering it. PeaPrint offers a wide product range and integrates with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Etsy, and Amazon, which keeps the workflow pretty straightforward. Next, I want to show you how I customize the product using PeaPrint so you can see what the process looks like and decide if it fits into your workflow. Let's jump into it. Okay guys, so I am in PeaPrint's main menu here, and all we're going to do is we are going to select our product. All right, we're going to look at the blanks that they have to offer. So what we're going to do is we're going to select products. Okay, and then what I'm going to choose is I'm going to go to sports and outdoors. I'm going to click on that bad boy, and we are going to select this one. Caught my eye because I've never done an umbrella. So PeaPrint offers umbrellas, and they have a lot of other features that you can actually look for. Okay, so this one caught my eye, and this is a trifold automatic umbrella, and it's going for $10.16. So we're going to click on that bad boy, and it gives you the layout, right? It tells you the material, the process, the weight. All right, this is polyester and it's sublimation. Okay, and it tells you what size it is. It's a one size. The cost is $10.16. Bulk discount prices. If you buy more, 50 pieces and more, you'll get the price for $9.14. Shipping is $12.79. And yes, they ship to the United States. Okay, and they tell you the time they're expecting it to arrive to your house if I was to purchase it today. Okay, your earnings for this product, if you sold it at $32.13, you make a profit of $9.18, which is not bad. You got your adjusted price here, your drop downs right here, so you can adjust your price. All right. Also, you get some quick mock-ups, which is pretty neat. Okay, so you can use these mock-ups in your store. All right, they made some mock-ups for you. Okay, and it's got your directions. Okay, and then it shows you what it looks like underneath, which is pretty neat. What I also like to do is when I post products on Etsy or even my own website, I like to use the descriptions, right? And they have a description here, as you can see. You can actually copy and paste and add that to your store. Okay, and it tells you the breakdown of the customized options, the sublimations, the material, and the description, the material description, accessory construction, the product performance. You could see all that. And then it's got the washing instructions, special descriptions, reminder. They got a whole lot of stuff in here. Design explanation and design area. And it's got the product size, which is pretty cool. And the packing specifications. Now, this is something some of the PLDs that I've worked with don't actually have a whole lot of this, right? When it comes to packaging, this is something that I can already see that this is going to benefit me in the future when I start really using PeaPrint full time. And then you got other standard umbrellas that they're also offering on the bottom. Okay, so which is pretty neat. So let's go back up. Let's go ahead and hit design and sell. All right. And once you click on that, you are taken to the mockup generator, which is pretty simple. Okay. And then you got your undo, you got your redo, you got your grid, you got your palette, your layers, and then you got your clear button. Okay. And then on the right hand side, you got your add design, add artwork, your folders, your files. You can also add text, and then you got another feature to click on for your color palette here, and you can select all these colors for this umbrella. Okay, in this particular case, we are just going to click here. We're going to select our design. Now, I already picked this design out, and once you click on your design, you get your 3D image viewer right here on the left hand, so you can actually see what your image is going to look like. Okay, once you upload your image, you got site 1, site 2, how it's going to look, and this is the outside of your umbrella. So here, it's telling you if you want to click on it and you want to add it, which we'll do. Okay, and then from there, you have all these other images that you can toy with once you start using this to your benefit, once you start making other products. In this particular case, we're not going to use any of these features because ours was just really simple and down to the point. Okay, so now that we did that, all we're going to do is we're going to add it to the store, and we're going to hit purchase, and we are ready to go. So once your image is ready, this is cool. It's kind of like Redbubble, right? Once you add your product to your store, it's going to give you other options what your image could look like on other features. Okay, so it just gets that creative mind start thinking that you can actually do more stuff with your image. Okay, so you can take a look. It looks like got a door curtain, kitchen mat, kitchen piece. All right, the door tablecloth, all kinds of stuff, which is pretty cool. Pretty dope, guys. Looks like they've been thinking a lot into this with this website. You can add your image to all these other products and start making money other than what we were just doing right now. Okay, all right, so now that we got our image selected, I went ahead and uploaded it and purchased it. Okay, because that's all you had to do, guys. That was it. That was simple. Once you get your product, you add it to your store, or you save it as a draft, and you're good to go. I purchased my design on the umbrella, and we are going to open this, and I'm eager and excited to see what this product's going to look like. So let's go ahead and give it a whirl. All right, guys, so I got the package and I'm ready to open this up. Now, I kind of am a little superstitious because I've heard that if you open up your umbrella inside your house, it is bad luck. Well, I'm in my garage, so I don't know if that counts. But we're gonna go ahead and open it. We're gonna see how this one comes out. And I'm excited to see what this looks like, all right? So it comes in this package right here. You can see it's very well packaged and cared for. Oh man, this looks awesome, man. And you guys saw how fast I made this thing. This is cool, okay? And it comes with the little cover. It came with the cover. Look at this. Look at that. Look at how neat that is, man. That is pretty neat. All right. And here's the umbrella. Came with the little plastic. It's pretty cool. All right. It's got the little lock lever. And it came out nice, man. It really did. It really did. So let's go ahead and open this up. Whoa! And look at that. Look at how cool that was. Look at that. That is pretty dope. And you can see the inside is black. It looks pretty neat. Here's the outside. And you saw how I did that with the image. And I took that image off of Canva. And there you go, guys. There you go. If you want to try PeaPrint yourself, click the link in the description below to get your first 30% off on your first order. and also enjoy 20% off on your monthly sample orders. It's a great way to try PeaPrint with less risk before you fully commit. So if you could put one phrase on a hoodie right now, what would it say? Would it be emotional or would it be personal? That could be your first niche to start your own POD product store. I would love to hear your feedback. Drop a comment below. So with that, you have a blessed week and a blessed day, and we'll see you guys back on my next video next week, and peace.